Say any word out loud enough times, and suddenly, it stops sounding like a real word. Why does this happen? It's called semantic satiation, a weird glitch in your brain where repeating a word too much makes it feel meaningless. Here's how it works. Every time you hear or say a word, your brain fires neurons to process its meaning. But repeat it too fast, and those neurons get fatigued, like a muscle giving out. Suddenly, spoon sounds like gibberish, chair feels alien, and even your own name starts to sound bizarre. Scientists think this happens because your brain temporarily numbs the connection between the word and its meaning, leaving you stuck in a loop of nonsense. Try it right now, pick a word and repeat it. How long until it breaks? What word did you try? Drop it in the comments. Let's see which ones break the fastest.